I'm wasted. My heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing. Keep your words naked. You got me blushing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week and you are looking forward to Halloween as much as I am. Halloween is only less than like 20 days away. I'm so looking forward to it. Halloween is my favorite time of year. I always love creating looks for you guys and just letting my creativity shine and just try to be original. I think that's what people have been liking as well. Thank you guys all for all your love on Instagram as well as on YouTube. It has been amazing to see all the love and support you guys give me on my creative looks. This whole video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just going to chat through this video. I thought I'd just do like a chat through voiceover while you watch me doing this look. It's pretty easy. I'm just drawing out where everything is with the white pencil, and then I go over with black, and then this look is all about shading really, and just highlighting and shading. And at the start I thought it was going to look really bad, but a key to this look is keep going, keep adding things, and it will get better and better. So yeah, I really like this look. I don't actually know what I'm going to be on Halloween. If you guys have any ideas, or if you guys have any looks of mine that you liked the best, please let me know down below in the comments. And also leave me any Halloween recommendations down below as well. I'd love to hear them from you. But anyway, so many people have done like skull looks, and I've been getting into like the whole torn skin kind of look. I did the werewolf with torn skin, and then I did like a half skull like on one half of my face last year, and I filmed that in the Thin Lizzy studio. So I thought I'd do like a skull peeping through, but across, like right across my mouth. And I decided to do it right across the mouth because, well, my demon Halloween look is going really well this year so far, and it was like a cut all the way across the mouth. So I thought I'd experiment with more like across the mouth ideas, so hence why I did it like this. But anyway, what are you guys doing for Halloween? Are you guys going to a party? Are you guys going out clubbing? Are you guys doing nothing at all? I'm looking forward to going out. I always go out with my friend Shani, and we go out like clubbing or just to a bar, and so many people love the makeup that I do. It's really cool and it's really exciting. I've been out with Shani for 2 years now, and 1 year I did like special effects cuts across my forehead, and like I did Matthew, I had cuts across his face and cuts across my friend's chest as well. And last year I was a werewolf, like a torn werewolf with my friend Shani, and I think it was even more like eye-catching that we went like together as twins kind of thing. So I'm definitely going to do something like that again this year and kind of do matching looks. And anyway, also thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes over the last few days. It's honestly been so amazing, and I'm so appreciative for you all. It just makes me so happy, like waking up and doing a post and you guys share so much birthday wishes on there. And also lots of my blogger friends and influencer friends like sharing stories saying happy birthday. Like, it means so much. And it feels like I've literally had 2 weeks worth of birthday celebrations, because last weekend I had like birthday drinks, but it was also kind of like a housewarming as well, and that was really cool. It feels like my house is more broken into now. Does that make sense? Like, it's more officially ours. Everyone has seen it, and everyone was so proud of our house. So I was so stoked, because it's taken me since we moved in 4 months ago to kind of set everything up to how we want it. It's not 100% finished yet. It's probably at like 80%, 85% finished. But anyway, we had all the friends over and had some drinks and some music and nibbles. It was really cool. And then on my birthday, I just replied to everyone's birthday messages on Instagram and Facebook, had a few calls from the family, and then I hung out with my friend Kayla, who was over from Australia, which was really nice, and her kid River, and we just went out to Mount Maunganui and we went to a cafe and had lunch and spent some time with her this afternoon, gave her lots of free makeup. And I said, that's a perk to being my friend, because everybody feels bad when I give them so much makeup, like when my friends come over, but I'm like, it doesn't seem like much to me. It's just, you know, I get sent so much for PR, like it's the least I could do. But anyway, so we hung out, and then my sister Rebecca came over to stay for the first time ever, and she's only seen my house like once, so it was nice to have her stay on my birthday. And we went food shopping together, and then we had some burger fuel together, and then we watched a movie, and it was just nice to hang out. And the next day we just mucked around, and then I had a birthday dinner with my family, and we also went out bowling as well, which was quite fun. We went to the arcade, and it's really rare where all 5 of us get together, my mum, dad, me and my 2 sisters, because my older sister used to live in America and in Canada, and my younger sister lives in Auckland, and my mum lives in Auckland like half the week to look after my grandma with my uncle, so it's really rare that we all get together, so us all being together was so special in itself to me, so yay. But yeah, so I had a really good birthday, and then tomorrow, well today by the time I upload this, I've got a birthday morning tea at work as well, so it's been literally 2 weeks worth of celebrations. And oh my gosh, 25. I don't know if any of you guys are 25 or like way older than 25, but to me it feels like a turning point. Like you hit 25 and you feel like you're at a midlife crisis. You feel like you're at the age where you can't go out anymore, you can't have fun, and you got to get married and have kids, and like everything changes. You just suddenly feel old. Like you're in a different age bracket now, because everything's classed as like 18 to 24 or over 24, well over 25. I don't know, I just been feeling that way. I'm like, what? How am I already 25? I'm only 5 years to 30. That is crazy to me. So as you can see here, the look is like slowly coming along. I think it started to look really good when I added this black shading. You want to make sure you add black shading all in the gaps, because it kind of gives the illusion that the skin's sticking out and the skeleton's like underneath. So yeah, I really like the way this turns out, and literally it's using like 3 or 4 products. So a lot of you guys have asked me if I could do a look that uses minimal products, and honestly this is the look. Like all I use is a black eyeshadow, a white eyeshadow, and I mix them together to make the grey, and then I use a black eyeliner and a white liquid liner. Oh, and I also use a white pencil, so pretty much 5 products. But for like a good Halloween look, 5 products, it's like gonna be a pretty affordable look to do on Halloween, and no doubt a lot of you guys are already gonna have like a black eyeliner or, you know, a liquid liner or something like that. So yeah, and I always use NYX Cosmetics. It's honestly like the most affordable brand. You can get it from New Zealand, you can get it online, it's worldwide known. And yeah, their products are just really good. They've got like lots of colours, and their stuff's really pigmented. And right now I'm using the NYX, oh no, not this eyeliner, but for a majority of the look I do use the thin Lizzy eyeliner and corrector pen, which is so amazing for Halloween looks. I just switched here to a Tarte one because the thin Lizzy one I was using was running out, because I've literally used it for months. But the thin Lizzy eyeliners is so pigmented, and on the other side there's like a little corrector pen, so if you're doing winged liner you can like erase it if you make a mistake. It's really cool. And fun fact, I was actually on a thin Lizzy ad, which is still playing on TV in New Zealand and Australia, I believe, on channel like 1 or 2. And I still need to show you guys that. It was using the eyeliner and corrector pen, because I love it so much, and I have filmed in these studios like 2 or 3 times before, and it's been such a fun experience. But anyway, you can use the code Alyshia30 to get 30% off the Lizzy products, and they've recently just launched like lots of eyeshadow palettes and highlighters. They've got like foundations and powders that are well known, and brushes and all sorts on there, so definitely go and check out the Lizzy. Anyway, please leave me any Halloween recommendations down below, because I'm trying to do as many Halloween videos as I can. Sometimes I've been filming 2 Halloween videos a week, but because I had my birthday week and like my sister's day, I couldn't get more than 1 video up for you guys this week. But I have been filming, or not filming, I have been doing like lots of looks on Instagram and trying to upload every day on Instagram for you guys. And oh my god, I can't wait to stop talking, because as you can hear from my voice, it is really croaky. I don't know what it is lately. Maybe it's because I'm not drinking enough water, but my voice is really husky. Everyone thinks it's like really cool, but I sometimes find it really straining and really annoying. Anyway, I really hope you guys like this half torn skull Halloween makeup tutorial. As you can see here, it turned out really detailed. You just have to keep going, and I really like the way it turned out. So, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. Help me get to 55,000 subscribers. I guess that's my next milestone. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.